Hi guys, I'm Paul the Motor Guy. Now today I'm going to be installing the Spectral Shift Underglow Accent Lighting Kit from Eagle Lights. This kit comes with 12 LED strips, and the control unit comes with an inline fuse. It also has a wireless remote control so you can customize your lighting experience and various dynamic lighting modes from the palm of your hand. It has versatile lighting options so you can choose from a wide spectrum of colors to match your mood or your bike. They're also durable and weather resistant, and they come with a lifetime LED warranty. Now I'm going to go out and install this lighting kit. Now once I get it installed, I'm going to go over the highlights of the install, and then we're going to check out how they look.
All right guys, I got everything installed. I got all the LED lights attached and connected. Now this was a very easy install. The harder part of this install was laying out LED lights, trying to figure out where you want to put them on the bike and how you want to run the wires. I only used 9 of the 12 LED strips. So I put 2 underneath each saddlebag. I got 2 on the bottom of the bike, facing down on the ground, lighting the ground. Now, for the engine, I've got 2 on each side here, 1 there, and I got 2 underneath the gas tank as well, which really lights up this engine part really nice. Now, one thing I do like is that the lights have a quick disconnect. So I was able to run the wire after here with the plug here. So now, whenever I have to take the saddlebags off, I can just disconnect this here and don't have to worry about taking my seat off every time I have to remove my saddlebags. Now, as far as the connection, it's very easy. You see here, the module comes with 3 wires. It has a white, a red, and a black. We'll talk about the white here in a minute. So basically, you put the black hooks to the negative terminal in your battery. The red hooks to the positive terminal in your battery. Now, the white, if you want to use the white, what this is you connect this to your wire to your brake lights. And what that does is that no matter what light you have running on your bike, when you hit your brakes, they'll turn to red. Now, I didn't connect this right now, but I might do that in the future. And also, as you can see here, these are how it's connected. You can see that there. I've got 3 extra ones because remember I only used 9 out of the 12. And so I went ahead and take these off. That way I can keep them bundled up here. So if I want to add 3 more lights, all I got to do is just run the lights and then connect one into here. So now I'm going to put everything back together. And I'm going to talk about the remote for a minute, and then we're going to see what these things look like.
All right, so now let's go over the function of the remote. Now the A button will turn the lights on and off. The B button, you control the brightness of the lights. Now the C button controls the function of the lights. You can have different light sequences, different light patterns. It also has a breathe effect also that you can apply to it. And the D button turns the lights on and off. All right, guys, so if you want to purchase this product or any other product from Eagle Lights, you can click on the link in the description below and get 15% off your entire order. Now, if you use that link, I will get a small commission off the sale. Now, until next time, practice, 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 and ride safe.